Hello, welcome to superCoolclues. In this video, we are going to show you how to use Microsoft Excel to sort data or rearrange it in any order and do more value-added processes of your choice. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to sort data in Microsoft Excel using the simplest method. There are many methods of sorting data, but here we're going to sort using the simplest. And for the simplest to work, you have to have the first row as a header row with the headings of each column. This data we have the first column being staff ID, department, first name, surname, gender, title, email, date of hire, and salary. So we are going to be rearranging this data according to our own purposes and wishes. Looking at this data, it doesn't seem to be sorted in any way. You might be tempted to think it's sorted by staff ID, starting with SC02, and followed by 009, followed by SCC012. Then all of a sudden you find SCC008, then another one SCC003, showing that actually that data is not arranged by staff ID. But we can actually arrange it for a start with staff ID. To do that, we look in the top left corner between where column A starts and row 1 starts. We click in that corner. Then we check up in the ribbon. Clicking in the corner highlights all the data. We check up in the ribbon and we are looking for the word data. So there is file, home, insert, page layout, formula, data. So we click on data. After that, we click on sort. And we ensure that my data has headers. That box is ticked or enabled. Then we got sort by, we want to sort by staff ID. So in that list, we select staff ID. And the order of sorting, we leave it as A to Z, the normal alphabetical sorting. We click OK. And from there, you can see that our list is now organized or arranged by staff ID, starting with SCC001, followed by SCC002, and the rest follow up to the last one, SCC014. Yes, arranging by staff ID is okay, but maybe we should have actually arranged it by surname. Surname makes a bit more sense. We can still do that. Click in that corner. Go and click on data. After clicking on data, we click on sort as before. Make sure that my data has headers is ticked and on. Make sure that it is on. Then instead of sorting by staff ID, we select surname and we sort by surname. Then we click OK. After clicking OK, then we'll find that our data is now sorted by surname, arranged alphabetically. You can see we start with Grant, followed by Iga, Kamau, and the rest until we reach the last one, which is W. Warren. That is a good sorting. It makes more value if you look at other fields. For example, can't we sort our data by salary and know who earns the highest and who earns the lowest? Yes, we can do that. We can sort our data by salary. To do that, we still do the same thing. We click in that corner, click on data, click on sort. Ensure that my data has headers is on. Click on sort by, and from there we select salary, and in the order we ensure that it's smallest to largest, I'll click OK, and our list is arranged by salary, having the one who earns the least salary at the top at $80,000, followed by some people who earn $95,000, going down up to the last one who earns the biggest amount of $180,000. But the list looks a bit strange. We should actually have the highest earner at the top rather than at the bottom, which is still not very difficult to do, and we can do it right now. We go and click in the corner as before, click on data, click on sort, ensure that my data has header is on, ensure that it is salary, but instead of order smallest to largest, we want order largest to smallest. We click OK, and our data is arranged, beginning with the one who earns the highest, 180,000 at the top, followed by 150,000, going all the way down to the last guy who earns $80,000. It's beginning to sound and make some more sense, but why can't we actually arrange this data by department? We want to know who is in which department. Right now we can't tell. So to do that, we click in the corner, we click on data, sort. We ensure my data has header is on. On sort by, we select department, A to Z, and we click OK. After clicking OK, you can see people are arranged by department. Accounts department starts first with around 4 people in it, followed by HR with around 3 people, then ICT, ending with marketing. Once you start sorting information, then you can add more value. For example, if we wanted to know how much do we spend in each of the departments in terms of salaries, we don't need to go and calculate again and come and feed it in a worksheet. No, we can click some few cells here and there, and we'll have the information right now in front of us. Why don't we do that? Let's see how much we spend on each of these departments. To do that, our data is still already sorted. We still click in that corner. We click on data, but instead of sorting this time, we click on subtotal, and on the subtotal dialog, we want to, every time that not the staff ID, but every time the department changes, we want to do some calculation. So we select department there, and then on the use function, there could be several other functions. We have sum, we have average, we have count, and others, but we are going to use sum because we want to sum the money, the salaries. So we select salary and click OK, and there you can see that the department salaries are well arranged. You have everybody in the department. Accounts department takes $460,000, HR department takes $350,000, ICT department takes $345,000, marketing takes $415,000, and the grand total is $1,570,000. This ends our demonstration. Please make sure you always come here to visit superCoolclues, because more demonstrations of this nature are coming on board. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. You can also subscribe if you have not yet done so. Subscription is free. Or you can share this video with other people like your friends, or just give it a like, or leave a comment in form of some feedback. Thank you very much.